Okay, let's dive straight in. There's a bit of a coding tool clash happening, isn't there?
Yeah, definitely. We're seeing Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex CLI really vying for developer attention.
Right. They both want to be that AI assistant helping you code, but how they're going about it seems worlds apart.
That's the core of it. It really boils down to accessibility and licensing strategy.
So for this deep dive, we're looking at a report about a takedown notice from Anthropic and kind of contrasting that with OpenAI's moves.
Exactly. We're unpacking their different plays and what it might signal for you, the developers, and maybe the wider AI field.
Okay, so fundamentally, both tools use cloud AI for coding tasks. It's a race for adoption.
Precisely. But the access model is where things diverge sharply.
Let's start with OpenAI's Codex CLI. What's the deal there?
Well, its source code is actually out there under the Apache 2.0 license.
Which is pretty permissive, right? What does that mean practically?
It means you can use it, share it, modify it, even build commercial products on top of it. It's quite open.
That sounds like it could really encourage developers to jump in, maybe improve it.
Definitely. That kind of openness often fosters a community. People contribute, fix bugs, add features the original team hadn't thought of.
Okay, contrast that with Anthropic's Claude Code.
Right. Claude Code operates under a restrictive commercial license. Basically, you can't really modify it without getting Anthropic's okay.
And didn't they also try to hide the code itself?
Yeah, that's the other part. They used code obfuscation,
Meaning,
uh, making the source code deliberately difficult to read or understand, sort of locking it down.
okay, so less transparency there.
Much less. And then things got, well, interesting. A developer managed to deobfuscate it.
Ah, undid the scrambling, essentially.
Exactly. And then they posted that clearer code on GitHub.
How did Anthropic take that? Let me guess. Not well.
You guessed it. They hit the developer with a DMCA takedown notice.
A copyright complaint, basically telling GitHub to remove the code.
Correct. And the reaction online, particularly among developers.
I saw some of that, mostly negative, right? People drawing
So
comparison.
overwhelmingly negative, yeah. Lots of chatter comparing Anthropic's lockdown approach unfavorably with OpenAI's more open stance on Codex CLI.
And it's not just the license with OpenAI, is it? They seem to be actively engaging.
That's a key point.
Mm.
While Anthropic was sending takedowns,
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.